Hi there, and welcome to your help video on how to revise GCSE maths. So firstly, just an overview on how the GCSE maths examinations will happen in the summer. So the exam board we use is Edexcel. There are 3 papers. They are 80 marks each. The first paper is the non-calculator paper, and papers 2 and 3 are calculator papers, and each of those is 1.5 hours long. The grade is averaged across all the papers, so they add up all your marks and then they give a grade based on that. So if you do badly on one paper, it's nothing to worry about because you can always make up for it with the other papers. So they average out the marks after the 3 papers. You don't have to score a grade 5 on every single paper to get a grade 5. You just need to score it overall. Okay, so how do you revise maths? Well, the best way to revise maths is to just do maths. Maths is very much an active subject. You've got to do it to be able to appreciate it, to get better at it. And one of the best ways to revise maths is on Sparks. So the student just needs to log in, select the independent learning tab at the bottom, and then they can select whatever it is they want to revise. So we for year 11 to use the question level analysis sheets that they were given after the mocks. So this shows they had one for all 3 papers. This shows how they did in each exam, question by question, and also tells them how they can revise that on Sparks. So this person got full marks on the green topics, 0 marks on the red topics, and some marks on the amber topics. So for combining transformations here, they got 1 mark out of 3. Now, what I would recommend is concentrating first on the red topics, to be honest, and then going back and doing the amber topics afterwards. So this person might want to work on, these are the codes down here, on plans and elevations. So they would put in code U743 into the search bar, which is just here. That brings up plans and elevations. They just click on that, and it brings up a set of increasingly difficult questions. And each question follows on from the next one, so it's gradually making it harder for them. This is the introduce section, then we've got a strengthen section, and the deepen section is basically problem solving questions. So if they, for example, clicked on level 1 or question 1, it's going to bring up this. Hopefully they can do it. If they're stuck, they can just click on down here and they can watch a video. There's up an explanatory video on that particular question, and each question has their own individual video, so that should help them gradually get better at the topic and hopefully do better on it in the next exam. We'll also be providing one of the question level analysis sheets for each of the mock papers as well, the new mock that we're going to be doing in May. So please encourage your students to be doing that as well, going on Sparks and using the question level analysis for the new mock. Probably also want to be doing maths revision, past paper revision. So Maths Genie is one of the best places to do that. You can get GCSE revision by topic here. These are all questions by topic on past exam questions. You've got the videos here which explain the exam questions, and then solutions here, work solutions, which are excellent. This is a really good website. You can also do GCSE papers. Just make sure you do the Edexcel one. Again, we've got the papers down here. The mark scheme, which is always useful, worked answers, so written answers, and then on a lot of the papers you've got video solutions, so somebody actually talks through each question, which is actually probably the best way to do that, I would say, but not all of them do, but all of these from 2020 before then, they have videos. One other another website you can go on is Corbett Maths. Lots of questions on here. Really good website. If you've stuck, you can get your scan here. You get an explanatory video, the scan on the phone, and it's the answers. You just click on the tick down at the bottom. Corbett Maths also has an excellent set of flashcards, which I can really recommend. You have to pay for them, unfortunately, but they're really good. And flashcards are an excellent way of getting things into your long-term memory. So if you can, I'd recommend getting those too. The revision guide we recommend is White Rose Maths. You can go by grade 4, aim for grade 5 or 6, and aim for grade 7, 8, 9. These are superb. The students will be familiar with them because we use a lot of White Rose Maths in school. All the answers are at the back. So if you want to get a revision guide, I recommend this one. Amazon. They're only £7, which is really good value. And finally, just a bit of a summary. So you have to do maths. Sparks is an excellent place to do that using your question level analysis. Be targeted in your revision. Choose the stuff that you're not sure on. Don't be tempted to just do the topics that you're already good at. Maths Genie is an excellent website for past exam questions, as is this one. I've just added this one at the end, Maths Made Easy, or mmerevise.co.uk. Really good for past exam questions as well. Corbett Maths, which I've already mentioned, and then revision guides. So I hope this is useful to you. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.